Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I'm here at IBA 2023 in Munich, Germany, and I'm catching up with Tony Dergham, co-owner of Joy Foods in Morocco. Hi, Tony, thanks for joining me.
Well, thank you for having me.
Yes.
Thank you.
Well, let's take a walk and chat for a minute.
All right.
So I am curious, at this international show, I'm excited to talk to you because I would love to get your perspective on what are the biggest global trends that U.S. bakers should be on the lookout for.
Yeah, I mean, one of the biggest trends we see in our market is frozen bakery.
Okay.
Because due to the fact that people looking for convenience, they're also looking for accessibility and consistency. Then also shortage of bakers in the market. So having frozen product allow you to be able to bake consistent product every day, tastes the same, and also is fresh. So we see that the trend growing. The other big trend we see in tortilla. People like to use tortilla wrappers, so we see that in our market, we see that across Africa and the Middle East. It's all growing. The other things we see, the whole bakery industry in general is growing, like buns, because people habit of eating consumption outside the home.
Yes.
So it's becoming really, really big. So that's how we see the market, and that's where we focus in our growth and our investment.
And I'm seeing a lot of those products gaining some traction in the U.S. too. One thing that's really interesting is looking at frozen production as sort of labor saving, because I hadn't thought about that. That's really interesting, but it makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, for us, we started right now, we just signed a major deal with one of the largest supplier of frozen product in Europe, Bridor. And we are representing Bridor in Morocco because people looking not only for quality, convenience, and also online selling to send directly to their home. They can bake it and eat it. That's the convenience aspect.
Yeah.
But also the bakers and specialty stores, because specialty store want really high percent of butter. The ingredient matters. So having consistent, high quality frozen product that when you put it in the oven, you bake it, you smell the freshness, and people tend to enjoy the smell of fresh food and fresh bread and fresh pastry. So that's
that they don't have to make themselves from scratch at home.
Exactly. And also, you know, the other thing, as you know from the U.S., also we see that in the U.S. in our market, shortage of bakers. Over time, you don't have enough laborers to really do what we want them to do on a daily basis and have the consistency and learning. A lot of people walking away from this industry. So therefore, I think having frozen, pre-proof product, you just take it in. Any person in the store can put it in the oven for 15, 17 minutes, bake it, put it out, put some specialty stuff on top of it. Look fresh, look gourmet, tastes good, 100% butter. So it's the future.
Perfect. Yes. Well, Tony, I know you have a ton to see at the show. It's huge. So I'm going to let you get back to exploring IBA. But thank you so much for catching up with me.
Well, thank you for having me. I really appreciate your time. And should you need anything, let us know.
Thank you.